Welcome everyone to another Friday Assembly. Thank you for everyone who has sent in their contributions this week, pictures and videos. Remember, if you do anything this week or over the weekend, send it to our assembly@Haslingden email address. You can find it on our website or you can see it in this show as well, and we'll make sure we can get your pictures and your videos onto next week's show. So we've got a couple of children's galleries for you, we've got in the staff room as well, and some very special videos from the staff this week with a bit of a sporting theme. We've got Mrs. Harcombe showing off her basketball skills, we've got Mrs. Hodges out running 10k, we've got Mrs. Robinson playing swing ball, we've got Mrs. Stansfield on the field doing her athletics, and Mrs. Taylor has walked to a very famous local landmark. I reckon all of you will be able to recognise where it is. And we've also got a couple of videos from Mr. Langham, one from last week and one for this week as well. And yeah, he's got some musical skill as well. So, roll the video.
Hi everybody, hope you're all well and you've been enjoying this lovely sunshine that we've been having recently. I've been enjoying it a bit, but I've got to go shopping now, so I'm stuck in my car. I better get myself some treats, and in the meantime, my treat is Star of the Week to everyone in my class who's been working hard over these last few weeks. It's about time we head back into school soon, but let's keep safe, let's keep working hard, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all soon. Bye!
Hi 6H, so I thought this week for my shout out I'd do something a little bit different. I've been really inspired by the activities that you've been taking part in, what with your walking and your cooking and your tree climbing and your artwork, so I thought I'd try and do something different myself. So this week I thought I'd give myself a chance to improve a skill, so I'm going to do basketball. So day one of my challenge, and then once I've shown you how terrible I am to begin with, I'll come back later in the week and you'll see some massive improvements because I've put into place my P values and my learning gems for my resilience and so on. So I'm going to go and try day one. don't get me in the shot. Cut that one. So 6H, the moral of the week obviously is try and try again. If at first you don't succeed, then come back and have another go. Resilience, determination, practice, and of course, always wear a Burnley shirt. Finally over to my actual stars of the week. So this week I've got Hadi, Reshma and Jana. Can I say thank you for your continued support? No matter what tasks I've thrown at you, you have always responded week in, week out with the things that you've been doing. Take care, guys.
Olaf. Hi everybody, it's Olaf and Miss Hodges here. We're just ringing you on our 10k run. We challenged ourselves that during lockdown we'd learn something new, and we've both taken up running to try and get fit. We hope that you've taken up a lockdown challenge, and I'd love to hear all about it if you've managed to learn something new or try something new. Our shout out this week goes to all of our H. I'm missing you all so much, and hopefully this lockdown will be finished soon and we can all be back together again. But I hope you're staying safe and keep practicing whatever your new thing is. We're off to go and run now. Come on, Olaf! $999,999, 1 million! Woo! Hi everybody, I'm just trying to stay active in the garden, keep myself nice and busy. My star of the week for this week is Sky, because all 10 weeks she has been epic with her online learning. Well done, Sky. If you're out in the garden, make sure you stay sun safe, wear your sun cream, drink plenty of water, wear your hat, wear your shades. Bye everyone.
I'm just doing our Zoom challenge of Move It. It's a bit hard work and I need to work on my time and my football skills. Okay, we're outside again, so we need to keep safe. Wear your sunglasses. Don't forget your sun hat. Lots of water and sun cream. Okay, let's get ready for my shout outs this week. So our TT Rockstars goes to Fahad, Ayan and Hania. Well done, that is amazing work. Also Spelling Shed top spellers Adam, Holly and Hania again. And we've also got My Maths. Only 2 people working really hard on that this week. Can we have more people from 3S on My Maths? Have a really good look on there. There's some fantastic activities. And our My Maths champions go to Jasmine and Eden. Well done, keep up the good work. I'll have a quick drink and see if I can beat my time. Bye!
Good morning, Year 2. It is a beautiful morning here at the Halo. One of my children might just be hiding in a bush nearby. See if you can spot them. I hope that you are all enjoying the fresh air, and it is really lovely to see what you have been getting up to. Thank you so much for things like Safia's rainbow flower and Farhan's poem for Thank a Teacher Day. All these things that you are sharing with us on assemblies or the home learning site. It's great to see things when we do our Zoom calls as well. Please keep it up, let us see what you're up to, and stay safe.
Hello 6L, this, can you remember? It's your classroom. It's been a while since we've been in, so I've come back today to make sure we're getting everything ready for you. I've also come to do my shout out video, but it's all going to be a bit of a surprise for you, so I'll see you in a minute. So, here we go. Raymer, Emer and Declan too, Khalil and Bilal and Nuala, Isabella Crompton, you're my shout-outs, the first ones of June.
Thank you to all the teachers and the children for sending in your videos and your pictures. This week we're supposed to be welcoming back more children to school, but unfortunately it hasn't happened. The Director of Public Health in Lancashire has told us he doesn't feel it's quite safe enough to bring further groups of children back in school. But I know all the teachers have been working really flat out this week and the week before to get ready for reopening the school. So keep an eye on our Facebook page, our Twitter and your parents' email address, and as soon as we have any more news next week we'll let you know, and hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll be able to start welcoming back groups of children to our school, which would be absolutely fantastic. But remember, we'll only do it when it's safe to do so. So, finish off then, we've got another children's gallery and then an important message right at the end. Thank you to everyone who has contributed to our assembly today. Our assembly is a bit shorter because I'm advertising this. Another assembly, but this one's very special. You might recognise Buddy, and you might recognise some of the famous people on there as well. And they're inviting you to an assembly at 9:30, straight after this, on the Facebook channel. Don't worry if you haven't seen the post. You can go onto the Haslingden Primary School Facebook page, and from there you'll see the post we put up yesterday that will link you to this special assembly with some special guests I'm sure you recognise. So if you can watch that, that's great. If not, have a great Friday, have a good weekend, and we'll see you next week. Stay safe everyone. Bye.